wherever stylish footwear is sold.
The first North American cruise in more than a year is aboard the Celebrity Millennium, and a COVID-19 vaccination card is a must. But different cruise lines have different rules once U.S. cruises start embarking from domestic ports. ABC's Gio Benitez is on board the Millennium.
Celebrity is up first at the end of the month from Florida. They say vaccines will be required. But just a week later, Royal Caribbean has its own cruise, and they're actually saying this: guests are strongly recommended to set sail fully vaccinated if they are eligible. Those who are unvaccinated or unable to verify vaccination will be required to undergo testing and follow other protocols.
Cruise lines say they're still working with the CDC and state officials. Tennis legend Roger Federer decided to pull out of the ongoing French Open, even without any apparent injury. ABC's Brian Clark.
After beating Germany's Dominic Koepfer in the third round of the French Open, Roger Federer said an early exit was possible.
I need to decide if I keep on playing or not, or is it not too much risk at this moment to keep on pushing, you know?
And today in a statement, he has pulled out of the French Open, saying after 2 knee surgeries and over a year of rehabilitation, it's important I listen to my body. Federer, who turns 40 this summer, will be focused on the upcoming grass court season, especially Wimbledon. It starts June 28th. He's won that tournament a record 8 times. Brian Clark, ABC News.
This is ABC News.
Microban 24 protects against Staphylococcus aureus and Enterobacter aerogenes bacteria, but does not provide 24-hour protection against viruses. Every time you touch a surface, you leave behind bacteria. To keep surfaces sanitized all day, use Microban 24. Spray on hard surfaces to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria initially. Once dry, Microban 24 is effective for 24 hours on bacteria when use is directed. Microban 24 sanitizing spray, bathroom, and multi-surface cleaner.
Dave Packer.
Need the perfect Father's Day gift? Get them a shirt from Untuck It. Untuck It shirts are designed to be worn untucked, so they feel comfortable and look sharp all day. They also come in sizes and fits for every body, so you can easily find something in his size. This Father's Day, find the perfect present for Dad at untuckit.com or one of 80-plus Untuck It stores nationwide. Use code DAD20 for 20% off your first purchase. Untuck It. Shirts designed to be worn untucked.
This is a metaphor for your business's journey. Sometimes it feels like you're going 100 miles an hour, barely keeping up. But you cruise through challenges, you need someone who's right there with you. That's what Dell Technologies advisors do. They have the tech advice you